Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of writing systems of equations. This is standard 8.2i in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 37 of the 2018 released STAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got 15 plates in a kitchen cabinet, and the diameter of each plate is either 7 inches or 12 inches. The diameter of all 15 plates is going to be 140 inches. All right, so we need to find a system of equations that can find the number of 7-inch plates, which are going to be x, 12-inch plates, which are going to be y. All right, so a system of equations, what does that mean? Well, if we were to find two different linear equations, which, as you can see on our answer selections, that's what we're looking for, we could graph both of those, right? And if we were to graph them, wherever they would intersect would be a solution to both. So that's what a system of equations is two equations that have an intersection point. And we could solve for that if we want to. Right now, we're just trying to write the equations. So we've got 15 plates. So let's start with that. We don't know how many are the 7-inchers, how many are the 12-inchers, but we do know that my 7-inchers are going to be x, and then my 12-inchers are going to be y. So you know what? We can start with a very simple equation. If I take all my 7-inch plates, I'm going to represent that by x because that's the number of 7-inch plates. And if I take all of my y plates, which is representative of my 12-inch plates, guess what? They just told me there's only 15. So that's the very simple initial equation. X plus y equals 15 because x is just the number of 7-inch plates, y is just the number of 12-inch plates. First sentence, there's 15 plates. We know they either have to be 7-inch or 12-inch. All right, so look at that. X plus y equals 15. Look at this A. X plus y equals 140. There's that number, but no, there's not 140 plates. There's 15 plates. I don't know about B. I don't think 7. I mean, look at B just doesn't make any sense. If you've got 7x plus 12y, how can 7x plus 12y be equal to both 140 and 15? You can't, because what that basically means is that 140 is equal to 115, right? If I wanted to substitute in this 140 for the 7x plus 12y, that's what that means. Yeah, that's not going to happen. And then I've got my x plus y equals 15 on C and D. So look, I've already eliminated two answers just with the super simple equation. Let's look at the next sentence here. The diameter of each plate is either 7 inches or 12, okay? And the diameter of all 15 plates combined is 150. All right, so let's look at diameters now. So I've got my 7-inch plates, okay? So my 7-inch plates are x, right? So if I take all of my 7-inch plates, and obviously they're 7 inches, I'm going to write 7x here. X is the number of plates, and then 7 is how big that plate happens to be, 7 inches, right? And then if I take my 12-inch plates, that's y. But I'm actually taking a look at how big is the diameter of each y plate. Well, 12 inches, that's what they told us. They tell us it is a combined 140. Okay? So this works because all of these three are all the same thing. They're all the diameter. And so we're kind of measuring the same thing with this particular equation right now. So this x plus y and 15, this is all just the number of plates, right? How many 7-inch plates, how many 12-inch plates, how many total plates. This other system is measuring diameter, 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 diameter. So you see that very similar, but C and D just kind of flip the coefficients, right? And so obviously we're not needing that D right there. So my answer here is C.